What an exciting day, and I'm very proud to be able to be here and to tell you a little bit of the story of what we've done in London and what we hope to do going forward. So the UnLondon Digital Media Association is a grassroots, community-led organization working at the intersection of art, make, and technology. As a community of creators, makers, and instigators, we believe that the best work happens at the intersection of disciplines and at the edges where ideas collide with each other. Which way are these working? Oh. I now know why you're having trouble. There we go. So since our launch in 2010, we've built our community on these principles, enabling innovations, new ideas, and game-changing projects to find the facilities, the education, and the advocacy that they need for success. 3 words: gather, create, improve, sum up everything we do. And even the story about how they came to express UnLondon is a testament to their efficacy. As a brand new nonprofit in 2010, we realized that we need a mission and a vision statement. Our experiences were with unconferences, those participant-driven, agendaless gatherings of people. And so we decided to apply the same process when building that mission and vision. We invited our community to spend an afternoon with us, discussing and shaping ideas, imagery, and concepts. We complemented ideas, expanding on them, and refining them over time. Yet nothing seemed to stick. But at that point, one of the participants stood up and walked over to a whiteboard and wrote these words: gather, create, improve. And that's actually his writing. It lived on that whiteboard for the next 7 years. And we moved out of the space I took this photo. We instantly realized that this expressed not only what we had been doing that entire day, it's what we wanted UnLondon to focus on going forward. Gather. When we bring a community together, we discover and learn together. We are collectively smarter, more effective, and impactful than we are individually, even when we disagree. So at UnLondon, we spent our time focusing on enabling community, connecting us physically as well as digitally. Create. We are all creators. We're hardwired to build, design, influence, shape, and inform. I tell new members of UnLondon that they have something to teach somebody else. They've done something or experienced something that no one else has yet, and they can teach that to someone else, and they can learn together. They can create new knowledge and improve. The process is sometimes more important than the product. We need to appreciate the path that we take to get to that end goal, realizing that it's never actually done, that there's always opportunity to reimagine, rediscover, remix, and add to and reinvent. So what started on the whiteboard of a basement at Western University has grown and flourished into a community of passionate and excited Londoners from all walks of life, experiences, and goals. Over the past 7 years, UnLondon has expanded our programs, services, and support in order to reach more Londoners and help them realize the contribution that they can have. In the last 3 years, we've taught over 1,500 elementary and high school students various digital literacy skills. We've continued to deliver creative workshops, entrepreneurship programs, and professional development opportunities, and to connect mentors with proteges. We are now preparing to formally launch Civic Tech London, which is an expansion of the work that we started years ago with our open data community. We've had several successful hackathons and projects under our belts over the years, including London Trash, which is an app to figure out what day of the week to put out your garbage, because in London we work on a 8-day cycle, so your garbage day changes every week and you never know when to put it out. So we gathered a group of people together and said, well, let's build an app for that. Eatsure, which allowed you to see the health unit's rating of restaurants on a Google Map interface, various budget apps, and also vote tracking for our municipal politicians. So with Civic Tech London, we're getting ready to embark on new civic opportunities, and we'll launch that at the Go Open Data Conference in London on May 5th and 6th. But in 2017, it's imperative that we move from a culture of consumers into a community of creators. From those watching YouTube to people watching political affairs, we need to encourage everyone that there's an opportunity for them to write the next chapter. and that their voice can contribute to the creative community that we want to build. Community flourishes when we share common problems, collaborate on solutions, and invest in each other. We believe that when we enable people to create, amazing things happen, everyone benefits, and cities thrive. I know this is true, because it's what we've done in London.